Ganda, sobra. Ang gaganda ng restaurant dito sa Vietnam. Feels like you are entering a paradise. Nice. So nice. Hotel. Can you hear Tay Tay? Now we're going to inquire in this place, in this apartment. We're entering a food park, but I think it's expensive here. Huh? Yeah. Pricey, pricey.
Really, there's nobody here.
Hello, with plants. Ganda. 68 seafood.
Nobody's eating here. I'm not eating it.
Expensive. I love this car.
They have one over there.
I'm taking a picture of that car. I'm taking a picture of the car, but it went through. Royal Hotel. Ganda naman ng kainan na to. There, oh. Ching, moon meal. Ah, that's Where's the Obama? Wait.
How long does it take you to
Because I'm taking a video. I also took a picture. So that's the beach over there, but we're not going yet.
birthday party?
This must be a happy place. I think I'll be sweating a lot when we stop walking. These may be the hotels which are so expensive, no?
Probably.
Like 5,000 pesos, 6,000 pesos. kaming koto yung may-ari niya. Wow, disco pub. I am so loving the place. Ganda sobra. Very cool. But it's a good thing that he wanted the tourists to have like less price for the apartments. Yun yung mga apartments.
Family residence. Leah residence.
Ganda. Oh, Kalya Lili. Kalya Lili is like the band in the Philippines. Ang kaganda. Sobra. Parang magkakatabi lahat dito ng establishments, ng restaurants, ng spas, beauty shops. Oops, Indian kitchen. Ganda. So, ang tao dito. Billiards. Ang dami ding billiards or sports bar dito. Oh, they have live bands playing here, I think. Wow, look. Ganda. Oh, ang ganda. Daming spas, ang daming hair salon. Ang daming apartments, ang daming hotels. Oh, cute dog. Doggy, doggy. So, we're still in the search for our new apartment. And this is like the surroundings of this place. Super ganda. Sobrang ganda. Grabe.
So, we would like more cheap about
Ganda, sobra. We're looking for a new apartment which is closer to everything. Kasi yung apartment na tinitira namin ngayon is medyo malayo. So, parang commute kami ng commute. So, this place I think is you don't have to take the Grab always. Kasi, super lapit niya sa lahat. Like restaurants, coffee shops, and everything. So, medyo pricey siya compared sa apartment namin dati na tinutuluyan ngayon. But then again, it's so close. Like, when you go out, you can find a lot of restaurants and you will have choices. Where do you want to go and where do you want to eat? So, we'll see if dito kami talaga mag-rent ng another apartment. I'm getting so impressed with this country, guys. It is so peaceful here, though. This road, they say, is a tourist town, but then again, you will see that it's still peaceful. Huh, cute. So far, I can
Like they have a lot of empty ones.
see Vietnam as like the country which offers a lot of restaurants and coffee shops. Ganda.